Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let me introduction myself. My name is Dewi Marisa Cahyani. You can call me Maritza. I'm from Yogyakarta State University. PBSI Class C, Class 25. My student ID number is 25020130149. In this article, I will discussion idiom in Indonesia and their comparison with idiom in English. In everyday life, we often use various expressions without realizing that they are actually idiom. Idiom make language more lively, interesting, and mindful. Therefore, it's important for us to understand what idiom and how they are used in communication. Understanding idiom in general, idiom is a combination of words that has specific meaning and cannot be directly interpreted from the meaning of its constituent word. It means that if we interpret an idiom literally, its meaning can be different from its actual meaning. For example, in Indonesia, there is the idiom kambing hitam. Literally, kambing hitam meaning a black coat. However, in the context of the idiomatic atau expression, it means someone who is blamed for the mistake of others. Therefore, understanding idiom is crucial to avoid misunderstanding the meaning of a sentence. Example of idiom in Indonesia. Here are some idioms in Indonesia that are often used in everyday conversation. First, scapegoat. This idiom refers to someone who is blamed for mistakes actually made by others. Example sentence. He is always made the scapegoat when problem are the office. Second, long-handed. This idiom refers to someone who likes to steal. Example sentence-nya, that person is known for being long-handed, so people no longer trust him. Third, raise your hand. This idiom refers to giving up or being unable to do something. Next, example sentence-nya, after trying many times, he finally gave up. Fourth, freed hand. This is idiom refers to a souvenir brought back from a trip. Example sentence, he brought home souvenir for his family after returning from vacation. These idioms are often used in everyday communication, but in casual conversation and in writing. Conversation with English idiom. Interesting, English also contain many idioms that have similar meaning to idiom in Indonesia. For example, the idiom scapegoat in English is called scapegoat. It has some meaning, namely someone who is blamed for someone else's mistake. The idiom angkat tangan has a similar meaning to English expression give up, which means to give up. Furthermore, the idiom buah tangan can be interpreted as souvenir or gift. The comparison shows that each language has its own way of conveying meaning third expression, but often the meaning remains similar. The importance of understanding idiom. Understanding idiom has several important benefits. First, idiom help us grasp the true meaning of a conversation. Second, idiom can enrich our language skill and make your language more natural. Third, idiom also reflects a society culture. So by study them, we can understand the cultural behind the language. Conclusion. In conclusion, as an idiom is an expression with a special meaning and cannot be taken literally from the situation word. Idiom are widely used in everyday life, but in Indonesia and English, by learning idiom, we can understand the language better and communication more effectively. Thank you for watching this video. Hopeful this explanation of idiom in Indonesia and their comparison with English has broadened our knowledge. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.